Hey, 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 everybody. Thought it would be fun to hop on and show you our latest and greatest Tara's must-have. This beautiful day. What was yesterday the first day of summer?
Yes.
Yesterday was the first day of summer. By the way, have you noticed that I have the scratchiest, squeakiest voice since I had COVID? It never came back. It's so weird.
Water?
No, it's not water. It's just a squeaky voice, which, I mean...
So you have a new voice.
I have a new voice. Just trying it out now, apparently.
You like it?
But love it. Look at how cute our stoneware measuring cups are, you guys. These are so cute. They're over at temp-tations.com. The lemons and palm happen to be my absolute fave, but you have a 1/4 cup of patience, a 1/3 cup of laughter, a 1/2 cup of good advice. Everybody needs that, right? Especially in the kitchen. And a cup full of joy. So how cute are these measuring cups? They have the beautiful pour spouts. They all nest down inside each other. They're stoneware. I use these as little prep bowls, as little dip bowls. I use them for so much more than just measuring. But look how fun. We have lemons and palms. We have, of course, our beautiful patriotic. Look how fun that is when they all nest down inside each other. Olive flutter. If you guys haven't seen our colorful olive flutter, it could potentially be my brand new fave. It is so sweet and so feminine. I love all of the pastel colors, and I love all of those details of the butterflies and the yellows and the pinks. Hey, Linda Weaver. How are you? Patricia's here. Kay's here. Hello, hello, everybody. I love how these like nestle right in my hands, too. So there are inspirational cups. They have cute little thoughts inside. A 1/4 cup of patience, a 1/3 cup of laughter, a 1/2 cup of good advice, which I was joking. Everybody wants good advice in the kitchen. Irma says she loves these, and then a full cup of joy. So again, just super fun, really cute. They nest down inside each other, and then you guys, we did them in woodland. We don't have a ton of these to go around. These are kind of one of those really fun specialty items that we don't always carry, but if you're not familiar with our woodland pattern, it has that beautiful engraved or carved detail all the way around, and then it has a glass glaze that comes alongside it. And so what's nice about that glass glaze is that, again, it brings that sculptural detail to life. So you have our white, we have our taupe, I love the neutrals, we have, of course, that beautiful gray, and then last but not least, we have our buttercream, which we brought back in honor of our 20th anniversary. We've been sharing Temp-tations for 20 years now. So excited. Always great seeing your smile. Love the woodland. Oh, Gil! Hi, my friend. I'm like, oh, what a nice time. And it's Gil. So these are super cute. You're definitely not going to want to miss these. Like I said, we didn't bring in a ton of these, and I wanted to give you a sneak peek of something we have coming up later actually Monday coming up. We have our napkin holder. You guys are in love with this. It holds, of course, your square napkins, and then we did a cute little figural weight for all of them. So all of the patterns, all of the weights are different, and they coordinate back to the pattern. This is so fun. This was an item that we actually put up on QVC's extended assortment. You guys loved it so much. We actually brought some patterns that they don't carry over to Temp-tations, so you're definitely gonna wanna check this out. And it's like, it's at some crazy, ridiculous sale price of like under $15. I'm not kidding. Stay tuned on Monday for that. But today, oh, and by the way, they'll go.
Yes.
And coordinate back. Lisa's like, that's why I brought it out here. They'll go and coordinate back, so you can start to build out your collection. So measuring cups today, definitely check them out over at temp-tations.com. They make such a sweet, fun gift. You can get a little of that cello paper, put a little bow, maybe include it with a recipe book, a cookbook, something along those lines. So many different fun ways to use these. So definitely head over to temp-tations.com and check it out. That's why we made it a Tara's must-have. These iconic pieces translated in these great patterns, and just make it super easy and fun around the kitchen. All right, I'll see you guys soon. Okay, bye.